Hello friends, welcome to MTA Quest. Today we're going to discuss classes and objects in Python. So let's start coding. First of all, I'm going to make a class. The keyword in Python for class is class. The name of the class, that is in our case person. Now def underscore underscore init. Keep in mind you have to type 2 times of underscore to initiate the class. Now self the default in constructor, and then the attributes of class. Those are name. In our case, person has a name and person would have a age. I think it's enough. We have 2 attributes. Now what these attributes are going to do: self means the object is calling itself. The name of the object would be its name, and the age of the object would be, don't worry about the keyword self, I will describe later. Typos. Age is equal to age. Now our class is complete. Let's add a comment. It's a good habit to add comments in your code. Make objects of the class constructor, of the class person, sorry. So we're going to make 2 persons. Let's say p1 is equal to person with name John and age 25, comma, and we would like to have another object that is p2, and it would be person and his name is Alex and his age is 23. No, we have made a class in Python and object of this class. Now we're going to see the attributes of those objects. First we're going to print, okay, let me add a comment, print the name of p1. So it is simple to print the name of p1. It is, you're going to say print and p1 dot name. Listen, in class I have written about self dot name. This is where that is going to work. Self dot name. Name means self dot name means self is p1 and name is his name. Okay, we're going to console to check. Let's run this self. Okay, here you see it printed out John. Okay, in our case the p1 has name John, and okay, we're going to see the name of p2, that is print p2 dot name. Let me run it. Here we go. You see that here it is Alex for p2 and it is John for p1. That's how a class is made in Python, and object from class are made, and we can access the attributes or the properties of objects like this. That's pretty much for today. We'll see you in next video.